Hi, this is Rugged Cams, and today we'll be discussing our IP line of products called EnviroCams. In this video, we're going to go over the P2P account creation and setup of the GuardStation PC application for remote viewing. If you have not already, you'll need to refer to the video on how to set your NVR up on the local network. And if you're looking for the video on how to configure this for your phone or tablet, go ahead and watch that one now. But the reason that we're going to go with the P2P account creation is because it allows us to bypass port forwarding, which normally leads us to calling the internet service provider and dealing with their level 2 or level 3 tech support, or hiring a local network guy to come out to do the port forwarding for us. Which, if you've ever dealt with any of the older coax systems, you know that port forwarding can sometimes be hit or miss, and any number of things can go wrong. If you have to reset a modem or a router that your port forwarding has been done through, that of course will wipe all of that out, and you will lose your remote connection and have to go through the whole process with the ISP or the local network guy again. With the P2P setup and registration, none of this is an issue. As long as the NVR has an active network connection, you have remote access. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and create our P2P account. And to do so, you're going to open a web browser, and you're going to go to www.star4live.com. Once you get here, you're going to go to your sign up option, create a username and a password, and then of course confirm it. Then you will enter in a valid email address and select this acquire option. Once you have done this, you'll then go check your email, and you're going to find verification code enclosed in that email. You're going to copy and paste that over into this box and select sign up. Once you've done this, you'll be able to log into your newly created account with your credentials, your username and password that we've just created, and log into your device page. Now, if you've copied out the registration code and you're doing this from home, you can simply go here to add device, but we're going to assume that you stayed with your local network, and we're going to go back into our GuardStation software, and we're going to go through this process one more time. So back in your device management page, you'll see your system that's been added up here at the top. You'll select it and go to configuration. And again, you'll need to log in with your NVR's credentials. You'll go to your setup tab, then to network, then to P2P. Make sure that P2P is turned on, and then copy this registration code. Of course, if you did this earlier and you're just going home to do this, you've already got a copy of it, on your phone. You took a picture of it, you wrote it down. But once we have copied this, we can go ahead and close this. We're done. Minimize this, our GuardStation software, and then go back to our Star4Live page. We're going to come here and select Add Device, and we're going to paste in our registration code. Give the device a name, and then select Add. If everything works well, we'll jump to our device list, and we'll see the name, relevant information for the NVR, and its status. If it reads offline at first, don't panic. Sometimes it takes it a moment, but the status should read online. Once we are done with this process, we can go ahead and exit and close our web browser and go back to our GuardStation software. Under device management, we're going to select our cloud device option, and I'm already logged in, so I'm going to exit. But your first time that you select cloud device, this is what you'll see: log in or register. We're going to go ahead and log in because we've already registered. Here, input your username and password from your P2P account creation, what we did at star4live.com, and select auto login. This way you won't have to type this information in every time you open the program. And then select login. Now, when you take this computer off network, or if you're at home and you're away from the NVR's network, you'll see that this has now been added up top. Your NVR, what you named it, and this should change from offline connecting to online. Because I'm online, of course it won't. Then you'll be able to, once this goes online on your home PC, go to your live view, and again you'll see your information, this time what you've named it, hanging out down here, and you'll be able to do, your 9 or your 16, your whatever channel split, or just give a double click here and load all the channels. That fairly much concludes this tutorial on how to set up the PC software and the P2P account for remote viewing. And if you have any problems, you can always give us a call here at 866-283-6003, and I'll get you caught up with wherever you get stuck. So you guys have a great day.